AI industry's memory, storage, and powerful chips shortage has finally hit the Mac Mini. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Apple has stopped selling its cheapest $599 model of the Mac Mini. Now, only configurations are coming with at least 512 GB of storage and are available, and that too starts at $799. The tiny desktop's popular use as a home for local AI agents likely played a part in the change. When Apple started selling the Mac Mini for $599 in 2024, it was one of the best deals the company had offered in years. With options for multiple tiers of Apple's M4 chip, at least 16 GB of RAM, at least 256 GB of storage, and enough ports to get things done, the Mac Mini was remarkably capable. And that made it popular among the AI crowd. It was able to run local large language models and was dedicated as a computer for AI agents like OpenClaw. With both demand from AI tinkerers and memory and storage crises motivated Apple to remove its cheapest model entirely. CEO Tim Cook says the Mac Mini and Mac Studio may take several months to reach supply-demand balance. Both of these are amazing platforms for AI and agentic tools, so Apple saw higher than expected demand. When Apple updated the MacBook Air with its M5 chip, it also bumped the storage to 512 GB and the starting price to $1,099, possibly due to changing cost of RAM and storage. In that case, the blow was softened by the availability of the MacBook Neo, which offered a lot of the power of Apple's Mac for a much more affordable $600. There's currently no equivalent for the Mac Mini, and it's not clear when or ever Apple will start selling something similar for that same cheap starting price. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.